Welcome to TIPS Training and Certification Online Training Program. Now we will study the process capability under Six Sigma Green Belt Training Program. What is process capability? Variation produced by a stable process is called as process capability. When the process average and plus minus 3 sigma spread of the distribution of the individuals are located within specification limits, the process is said to be capable. Here, capability ratio is reflected in terms of distribution of parts and effective ppm. For plus minus 3 sigma, CPK is 1, defective ppm will be 2700. Similarly, for plus minus 6 sigma, CPK will be 2 and defective ppm will be 0.002. Important SPC ratios used here are CP, that is process capability, is equal to maximum allowable range of characteristics divided by normal variation of process. This is equal to tolerance divided by 6 sigma, which can be calculated by using upper specification limit minus lower specification limit divided by 6 sigma. In Six Sigma study, we have to consider upper control limit minus lower control limit divided by 6 sigma. CPU is equal to upper specification limit minus x bar divided by 3s. Similarly, CPL is equal to x bar minus LSL divided by 3s. Based on the CPU and CPL values, we can determine that if CP or CPU or CP is less than 1, process is out of control. Then we have to take the actions. If CPU is less than 1, what it means? Our readings or values are going towards upper size, whereas CPL is if less than 1 represents our values are going towards or below the lower specifications. We have to take the actions. Similarly, for long-term case, PP is calculated. The formula is same. PPE is based on the same equation as CP with one exception, that is PP employs the long-term standard deviation. PPK is based on same equation as CPK with one exception. PPK employs a long. This ratio helps you in predicting whether the rejections will take place on higher side or lower side. Taking the centering decision, deciding whether to consider the broadening of tolerances, taking the decision on whether to go in for new machines, deciding on level of inspection required further. Process capability. If CP is greater than 1.33, process is working satisfactorily. If CP is greater than 1.8 or 2, then we can say that process is excellently within control. If CP is in between 1 and 1.3, we have to carefully watch the process and reduce the variations. If CP is less than 1, immediate corrective action on the process is essential. Same rule is applied to the PP, that is process capability for long term. Process capability for attributes. No tolerance for attribute chart. Only aim of 0 defects or 100% acceptable items. measure of capability is making relevant mean value P or NP or U or C which is equal to 0. Hence, we can say that prevention is better than cure. So, regular use of control charts should be in practice for avoiding the rejections and variations in the process. Thank you.